So agent transact. As I said, there is a saying that says every coin has two sides. So whenever there is an NFT mania, it also opens a door for a lot of scammers, right? So people, what they do is they exploit rewards that are given by marketplaces. What we built? So we built a database that has a list of NFT transactions. So what we then do is we find out the malicious patterns. We found out malicious trading patterns. And for this particular use case, we took Rarible as a case study. So credits to Rarible team. I mean, we are in close touch with a couple of guys from Rarible team, and they are very well supportive, and thanks for that. And also credits to Covalent team for their API. So how it works? So as I said, we built a database and we create a knowledge graph with all the transactions. So right now we have all the transactions on the Rarible marketplace since its beginning. And then we identify the cyclic patterns. I mean, not just cyclic patterns, but patterns that starts with, let's say, between two traders, three traders, or even more complex patterns. And then our system is able to flag the wallet addresses that involves in wash trade patterns. Well, let me show you a couple of quick examples. And so, for instance, this case, a user mints an NFT, sells it to another user, and then it repeats cyclic, I mean, repetitively. And this is another example where it involves three traders, and this four. This is again a four trade example. So we have also built, let's say, a simple web application. So, but what's at the back end? So basically, we do the ETL of Rarible transactions. We build the knowledge graph using GraphDB, and we then design query patterns. So our approach is a novel approach, which is more robust in finding multiple patterns. So it's not just about finding a couple of patterns and then we throw it, boom, not like that. So we have a more robust querying pattern that finds a lot of complex wash trade patterns. And we have built a web application, as I said, so just quickly going through that. And yeah, since it's for a demo, we just took a wallet address that involved in wash trading in Rarible marketplace. I'm just pasting the wallet address here. And then if I click on show the wash trade analysis, as you can see here, this particular wallet address was involved in more than 150 transactions on Rarible, out of which more than half of it was a wash trade. And if you look at the amount that this wallet address obtained as Rari rewards is close to 30,000 US dollars, which is at the current price, but Rari was at $40 in the past. So yes, that's we also link it to the profile of the user as well. So what's for the future? I mean, we would like to extend our model to the crypto exchanges, and we would like to also add support to the world's other blockchains as well. Let's say Polkadot, Avalanche, Matic, and other chains as well. So thanks again for your time, and yeah, looking forward to the results.